Bali is one of the provinces in Indonesia which is famous for its natural beauty and culture. The most of Balinese people embrace Hinduism and pray at the temple every religious ceremony is held. Balinese people use the offering of supporting ceremonial prayer, namely canang. However, the community does not care about the canang waste and let it become scattered garbage. This indirectly increase waste and pollute the environment. Canang consists of young coconut leaf and flower. Young coconut leaf contains cellulose 23.83%, hemicellulose 37.49%, lignin 38.68%, and the flower contains cellulose 22%, hemicellulose 12.6%, lignin 23.6%. For this reason, canang has the potential to become bio-oil and biochar for green energy. On the other hand, 60% of national oil comes from imports. Petroleum will run out in 11 years. An increase in import of automotive product by 45%, which reached $4.93 billion induces about 18.35 billion tons of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere every year. 20% comes from the transportation sector in Indonesia. Fossil fuel emission can cause chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. So, how is life in Indonesia in next 15 years?
Seeing the problem that must be as well as promising the opportunity, we come with a solution to make bio-oil and biochar from canang waste using simple pyrolysis technique. Let's see the production process and its result.
The first process carried out is the preparation tools and material such as ceremonial waste and simple pyrolysis tool. Ceremonial waste is dried for 7 days for remove water substance. Ceremonial waste such as young coconut leaf and flower is separated. Then dried ceremonial waste are cooked into smaller pieces first. The next process is weighing the small piece of ceremonial waste. In this result, weight of ceremonial waste it is 80 grams in each experiment and become a fixed variable. The process is continued by simple pyrolysis process. When the pyrolysis process is carried out, there is an independent variable such as variation of temperature and residence time. The temperature variation used are low temperature, medium temperature, and high temperature. The residence time variation used are 0.5 hour, 1 hour, 1.5 hour, 2 hour, 2.5 hour, and 3 hours. Hemicellulose, cellulose, and lignin in ceremonial waste will become bio-oil and biochar, which can be used as green energy. Okay, the production process is already done. Let's see the result. The highest weight of bio-oil from residence time variation is resulting in 1 hour as big as 4 grams from raw material flour, and the highest weight of bio-oil from residence time variation is resulting in 1.5 hours as big as 2 grams from raw material young coconut leaf in the ceremonial waste. In temperature variation, the highest weight of bio-oil is resulting in middle temperature as big as 7 grams from raw material flour, and the highest weight of bio-oil from raw material young coconut leaf resulting in low temperature as big as 2 grams.
Yield of biochar in variation of residence times show a decrease if residence times more increasing and longer of both types of raw material. While in the temperature variation, the weight of biochar also show a decrease from raw material young coconut wafer. But in raw material process in the height of biochar is resulting in middle temperature. Pyrolysis process increase lower viscosity and density if residence times increase longer. Then the diversity of characteristic yield bio-oil in differentiation of residence temperature increase in the density in the middle temperature and high density in low temperature. Characteristic characteristic of Biochar in fermentation of resident times and temperature produce almost the same characteristics such as raw texture and black color.
The diversity of yield bio-oil and Biochar not only affected by temperature and resident time, but also in raw material in use. In the raw material, young coconut leaf consists of more lignin and less cellulosa and hemicellulose. So, your bio-oil is less and your Biochar is more because lignin is also more. In raw material flour, there is more of cellulose and hemicellulose and less of lignin content. Therefore, your bio-oil from raw material flour is more and your Biochar is less because lignin content is also less.
Your bio-oil is made from cellulose and hemicellulose. Your Biochar is made from lignin. Ceremonial waste consistent your coconut flavors and flour is potential to green energy. To hay weight of bio-oil from resident times, fermentation is resulting in 1 hour housing big 4 grams for raw material flowers in the hay weeks of bio-oil from resident times fermentation is resulting in 1 hour and a half also because 2 grams for the raw material you coconut flavors in the ceremonial process.
With this, let we contribute in creating sustainable earth, save our environment with green energy. That is all from us. Thank you.